Stop leaving money on the table. Let's quickly connect your preferred payment gateways to KevinHowTo so you can start getting pay. First, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of your KevinHowTo dashboard, and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find several tabs on the left-hand side. Look for and click on Payment Gateways. Now you will see available payment gateway options. KevinHowTo supports various options, including Stripe, PayPal, and others, depending on your region. Let's start with Stripe. Click the Connect button next to Stripe. You will then be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. These keys connect your Stripe account to KevinHowTo. To find these keys, log into your Stripe account, navigate to the Developer section, and then API keys. Copy and paste both the publishable key and the secret key into the respective fields in KevinHowTo. The process for connecting PayPal is similar. Select PayPal, and you'll be asked to enter your PayPal email address associated with your business account. Once you've entered your credentials for each gateway, save the changes. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your payment gateways are successfully connected. That's it. Now you are ready to start accepting payments and boosting your sales on KevinHowTo. Go create amazing products and start selling.